Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, let's introduce myself. My name is Dwi Adinda Soliha with last 3 digit student number 071. Today, I will present my research proposal presentation with the title Test of Total Flavonoid and Alkaloid Content in Herbal Oil Preparation of Sonication Extract of Moringa oleifera leaves in extract virgin olive oil with variation in extraction time and volume of 280 with pH 400. The outline of the research are: first, background of the research; second, aim of the research; third, scope of the research; and last, for methodology. In Quran Surah Toha, verse 53, which reads, Alladzi ja'ala lakumul arda mahda wa salaka lakum fiha subula wa anzala minas sama'i ma'an fa akhrajna bihi azwajan min nabatin shatta. This verse is clear evidence the power of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, a proof of His perfect creation, and a reminder of the blessings of Allah. Allah sent rain to grow various types of plants, which are part of His guidance to humans and animals, so they can benefit from the fruits and plants for their sustenance. In this research, we use moringa leaves as a sample. Moringa oleifera, called the miracle tree because have many benefits in various aspects. Based on Yulia research, moringa leaves contain pure active compounds include flavonoid, alkaloid, tannin, saponin, and steroid that can be used to antioxidant, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial. We use EVO as a solvent for herbal oil because it contains 55 until 83% oleic acid, which can be utilized to boost the immune system as well as its stable nature. Additionally, it contains active components such as polyphenol compound, which have antioxidant properties. 280 was used as a surfactant because it has HLB value of 15. The high HLB value can enhance the interaction of the hydrophilic group of 280 with water-soluble components such as alkaloid and polar flavonoid in moringa leaves. Additionally, pH 400 acts as a co-surfactant because it has HLB value of 15. pH 400 support the performance of 280 by forming hydrogen bond with the polar component of alkaloid and flavonoid. The extraction method used is sonication water bath. The principle of this method is to break the plant cell walls with the assistance of ultrasonic waves above 20 kHz. The advantage of this method is can produce a high yield with a shorter extraction time. Quercetin was used as the standard flavonoid and react with aluminum chloride. The resulting yellow complex can cause a shift in the visible light because aluminum chloride binds with the keto group on the 4th C atom and the hydroxyl group on the neighboring 3rd C or 5th C atom. Alkaloid is react with bromocresol green solution to form a complex compound that is a yellow to deep yellow. Caffeine is used as the standard compound for determining total alkaloid level because caffeine is an alkaloid derivative of xanthin, a purine base that has chromophore and oxochrome groups which can be detected using a UV spectrophotometer. The aim of the research first to determine the effect of fine extraction time and the volume ratio of 280 with pH 400 on the total flavonoid and alkaloid content in the sonicate moringa leaves extracts in EVO. Scope of the research are: first, moringa leaf powder is sourced from CV Kelor Wangi Berkah Melimpah Banyuwangi and EVO brand is Borges. The surfactant used is 280 and co-surfactant used is pH 400. Sample extraction is conducted using the sonication method at a frequency of 42 kHz with varying extraction time of 0, 20, 80, and 40 minutes. Sample extraction is conducted using the sonication method at a frequency of 22 kHz with varying volume of 280 and pH 400 2 to 1. Data analysis is performed using two-way ANOVA. The third is methodology. Steps of the research are: first, extraction of 4 gram moringa leaf powder in 10 millievo using sonication with varying extraction time. Extraction of 4 gram moringa leaf powder in EVO using sonication with variation in the total volume of 280 and pH 400 to 1. Determination of total flavonoid content using a UV spectrophotometer with quercetin as the standard. Determination of total alkaloid content using a UV spectrophotometer with caffeine as the standard. And last, data analysis is performed using two-way ANOVA. Extraction of moringa leaves with sonication method. Dissolve moringa leaf powder into EVO solvent at variation volume 280 with pH 400 and sonication extract at time variation. Then filter the extract using cheesecloth to get the filtered and put in the dark vials. Test of total flavonoid content in herbal oil. Dissolve sample with ethanol, aluminum chloride, potassium acetate, aqua dust, and then stir the mixture. Cover with aluminum foil and incubate for 30 minutes at room temperature. Then measure absorbance using spectrophotometer UV at a maximum wavelength. Test of total alkaloid content in herbal oil. Dissolve sample with hydrogen chloride, add a chloroform, then shake. The water phase is adjusted with natrium hydroxide until the pH is neutral. Then, add a phosphate buffer and BCG solution, shake the solution and extract with chloroform. Chloroform phase is taken and measure the absorbance. That's all of my research proposal presentation. I realize that are still many mistakes. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.